Hello, my dear friends. I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School, Shivpuri. And I am feeling so pleasure. I am so happy to help you in learning English language. In my previous videos also, I explained you different kinds of the sentences and vocab also. In coming videos also, I will help you in learning English language. I will bring something new for you that you will feel so pleasure and you will feel so enjoyment, you can say. Today also I am here before you to talk on spoken English language only, orally only. There should not be use of any paper or pen. Today we will not use paper or pen. We will use only mother tongue or we will use only tongue. We will try to speak English only English. So I am here before you to improve English language, mostly speaking. We will talk only speaking today. So many students asked me, sir, how to speak English language? How to generate a good command over English language? How can we improve English language? Speaking mostly. And so many friends also asked me the same question. How to improve English language? So I am here before you and I welcome you to watch my channel and watch my channel always. Never leave my channel, never leave my even a single video. If you learn, if you watch my video regularly, I will help you always. So today I will try to solve your problem. I am so here to solve your problem. I am trying to satisfy you. I hope that you will be so satisfied. The question is common. So many people ask me how to generate a good command over English language. So I am trying to solve your problem. That is, we can improve our spoken English language by having good command over our speaking. Number one is that we should always try to generate willpower, to generate interest in ourselves. Without willpower, we can't improve our English language. So it is compulsory to have willpower and interest. Interest is just like a roots, you can say that. Willpower is just like a root of the trees. So we should always try to interest. We should have interest and we should try always to generate willpower. Willpower is very, very powerful thing that can make you powerful. If you want to do something but you have no interest and you have no willpower, if you have no willpower, if you have no interest, can't be possible to feel pleasure, to have enjoyment in any work. So this is very important thing. The second one is that learning different kinds of the words and mostly daily uses words. We should use them. If we have a willpower also, but we are not trying to learn different kinds of words, we are not trying to have empower our vocabulary. So vocabulary is very essential thing. to improve our English language. Without vocabulary, without words. Suppose we are going to deliver a lecture on the stage before the public. And public is so curious. Public is so curious to listen us. But we have no different kinds of the useful words and interesting words. How can it be possible to deliver lecture on the stage? Can't be possible. So we should try always to learn different kinds of words and always empower your vocabulary. Mostly daily uses words and some kinds of the interesting words. These are enough. Third point is that listen always the great speakers. Listen always the great speakers, which you like them very much. If you listen them very much and so more and more, you can improve your English language. You can understand English language very well. If you listen them very well, you can also have a good depot of knowledge. Because listening is the base of English learning. You know very well that without base, nothing can be possible. So base is essential, base is very important thing. So listening is the great power of learning English language. Without learning we can't, or without listening we can't learn English language. So listening is very essential. Listening is the root of learning English language. Listen always the great speakers also. Always. And you can listen regularly English language. Regularly. Never miss listening. So this is the very essential point. And fourth one is that you can imitate them. If you listen the great speakers like Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton, Donald Trump, so many great speakers of English language. So listen them regularly and imitate them. Try always to imitate them so that you improve your English language. And last point is that always try to do something. Always try to do something new so that you can improve your English language. And I welcome to watch my video, and I will thank you very much to watch my video, and I will bring something new for you in English language. Never forget to watch my video. Please subscribe my channel, like. Thank you very much.